So we've reached the end of module 2, and the fruits of our labour is to basically achieve this, something that could take about 2 to 3 minutes to type out and display on any computer, if you're a slow typist. Now, I appreciate we seem to have done a lot of work to achieve very little, but what we've been doing is just really setting up the foundations, making sure that our Angular application can talk to our API, which can talk to our database, and retrieve the values from there. And we've also added Bootstrap and Font Awesome as well, which we'll be using throughout the rest of this course. And over the course of the next modules, we will be creating something that looks and does significantly more. So what we've looked at in this particular module then, we've created a web API project. We've taken a look at the files created by the .NET CLI. We've ensured our web API runs successfully. We've created our database using the code first or model first approach. We've added our code into source control. We've created the Angular application. We've made HTTP requests from Angular to fetch data from our API. And then we've bound that data from the API to the HTML and then displayed it on the page. So we've actually done quite a lot to get those free values on the page. Quite amazing, really. But anyway, in the next module, we're going to take a look at security because our application is focused on the users and user profiles and user data and the ability for users to like each other and send messages. It's really all about the users, and that's what we're going to look at next.